So I guess just today was a case of am I destroyed? Well, and we have a lot of great stuff. And I guess we have some great stuff. Anyway, we have some great stuff. And John Paul here to see you. Hello. And we're gonna sing some songs.
What songs are we singing, Ted?
Sing
a song.
Sing out loud. Sing out strong. Sing of good things, not bad. Sing of happy, not sad. Just sing a song. Make it simple to last your whole life long. Don't worry that it's not good enough for anyone else to hear. Just sing a song. La 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 la. La 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 la. Just sing a song. Me, whatever you think to be, everything is me in the mirror, me in my bed, me in the pictures I make in my head, oh me. What I'm raising to be is me. Utterly delicious. There's no choice in the one of me agree. There's no one more better, smarter, nicer, sweeter. Can't you see than me? You. What I think to me is you.
I know.
Me and you and me. Here to Z. Me in the pictures I make in my head, oh me and you. What I think to me is me and you. Utterly delicious. It says there's no choice, there's no one, me and you. There's no way smarter, nicer, sweeter, like me and you.
I've got 2 eyes so I can see. I've got 2 ears to listen to what you say to me. I've got a mouth so I can speak. I've got a cheek right here, and here I've got another cheek. I've got a nose so I can smell. I've got a chin, but what a chin does I just can't tell. I got eyes, ears, nose, mouth, cheeks, and chin, each in its place, and they're all part of one fine face. You've got 2 eyes.
I got 2 eyes.
So you can see.
So I can see.
You've got 2 ears to listen to what you say to me.
To say to you.
I got a mouth.
I got a mouth.
So you can speak.
So I can speak.
You've got a cheek right here, and here you got another cheek.
Another cheek.
You've got a nose.
I got a nose.
So you can smell.
So I can smell.
You've got a chin, but what a chin does you just can't tell.
So you can't tell.
You've got eyes, ears, nose, mouth, cheeks, and chin, each in its place, and they're all part of one fine face. Yes, they're all part of one fine face.
Let me take another one. What's that?
That's it?
Let me take another one.
Let's see. So am I. This is the world. La 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 la. John Paul's world. La 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 la. La 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 la. John Paul's world.
I know that word.
La la la. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. I love to create. La 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 la. John Paul's world. La 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 la. La 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 la. John Paul's world. I love my creations, my crayons too. That's John Paul's world.
Just out of the John Paul's asleep. One thing is actually cool. He's never gonna leave me when I sleep. Well, the check was too short. Boom, 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 boom. The more I poke him, he is asleep, he is awake, he complains. I poke him, he is awake, he complains. His arms all fluffy and soggy like. So I just confirmed that John Paul here is asleep. And On the other hand, now his eyes are open. First asleep, was awake. No check to be sure.
Teddy, stop that.
See? I was right. First asleep, was awake.
Teddy, why'd you wake me up?
Oh, did I wake you up?
Yes, you did.
See? I was right. First asleep, I was awake.
Teddy, why'd you wake me up the last time?
Oh, well, I wanted to tell you something.
Well, what's that, Ted?
Well, I looked at the clock.
So?
It's time for your nap. Sleep tight. That was relaxing. Some of us have flowers, some of us have fins, all of us are furry, all of us have grins, all of us are happy together. We all know we are all earthlings, we are all earthlings, spinning around together on the planet of the sun. Some of us live in the desert, some of us in the trees, some of us in the mountains, some beneath the sea. All of us can have a happy, pleasant destiny. We are all earthlings, we are all earthlings, spinning around together on a planet of the sun. Spinning around together on a planet of the sun. Definitely relaxing. Definitely relaxing.
I know.
Well, it's good to relax when it's quiet. It's good to relax when it's quiet. It's quiet. That's why libraries are so quiet. You know what's worse? Like, when I see your dog working like, or relaxing, your dog barking like, hug, baby, hug. Or relaxing, you hear a fire engine going like,
Quit it.
oh.
Teddy, I'm trying to relax.
Oh, okay. I'll just stand here and listen to some rock and roll music. So, just be careful, rest up, relax your leg.
Yeah, sure.
I'll listen to these headphones.
Yeah, sure.
Right. See? I can listen to my music while we go on noise.